Fuck y'all niggas. Fuck Marcus. Fuck Aaron. You feel me? You know how slime coming, bitch. What my fucking brother gang.
Hey, wipe your nose, sir. You can't have your weapon out here.
Yeah, boy. You know how I'm coming. Yeah. Oh, fuck the police. Fuck 12. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hey, why am I getting detained for? See, look, this is what I'm saying. Y'all niggas harassing. Y'all harassing on front of Greg with y'all on. See, what y'all harassing me for? No, nigga arresting me. What the fuck? On. See, this is what I mean. Y'all niggas harassing.
Where you at?
Yo, y'all harassing me. Nah. What the fuck? I ain't do shit. Y'all niggas are bitches. Where them folks, boy? Hell no, bro. Y'all got me fucked up.
I'm starting to think you like the police guys.
Niggas gay. I ain't just shit. That boy's gay as fuck, bro. That's what I'm starting thinking now. I ain't get to see no registration. Nothing. I ain't doing this shit. I ain't getting no, you feel me? Y'all gave me 2 charges. What fuck? For what? Man, shut your bitch ass up. No, you did not. No, you did not. I ain't shoot. I put my gun away. I put everything. On God. Fuck you talk about. Y'all said put my gun away. That's why I did. And I started cussing y'all out. Y'all gonna put me in jail because I cussed you out? Stupid goofy. Like y'all started since when y'all started doing that shit? Since when y'all started doing that shit, boy? No, I'm not saying no. No passport, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. I'm my mama, boy. Yeah, I ain't showing you no type of passport. Nope. Rejected, nigga. Just take me to my cell. Go ahead and take me to my cell, boy. I don't go fuck about none of that. I don't want to hear it. Like I said, take me to my cell. Go ahead and take me to my cell. I ain't do no more talking with y'all. Just take me to my cell.
The way Aaron polices, bro. You're the man, bro. And that's a success.
Fuck your bitch ass. You know how I come in slime shit, nigga.
Yeah, he a clown. All them a clown.
Shit.
Police some clowns.
You know, bitch ass, they arrest me for no reason. On my mom. Oh, boy.
Marcus a clown because he's scared to go outside.
Nah,
he stay
Aaron
in the
the
garage all
bitch.
day.
On my mama, boy. Hey, I told them they were trying to see my documents. I said, fuck that shit. Just take me to my cell, nigga.
Stay in the garage.
Oh yeah, they finna hit you with a 13. They finna hit you with a 3.7 or a 3.6.
I'm already knowing, bro. Look, they already dead, bro. Fuck wrong with their ass.